Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about how to set up your paper shoot camera. Maybe you just got it in the mail and you're wondering, how do I put this together? I mean, it's not that difficult, but maybe you want to make sure you're doing it correctly, so here's the instructions. When you buy your paper shoot camera, it comes in a couple of different parts, so you actually get to assemble your own camera. All of the cameras come with the camera board, the case you choose, and the brass screws that keep it together. Some of the bundles come with an SD card, but if you got the regular camera, then you'll have to purchase that separately, either from our website or from anywhere that sells SD cards. It can use up to a 32GB SD card. The camera also comes with a USB cable to connect your camera to your computer and also to charge it. You want to make sure to keep this cord specifically because it is a data transfer cord. You may have one that looks similar, but it might not be data transfer, so just keep track of the cord so you can access your photos. It's not needed for the assembly of the camera, but you'll need it after. And for any camera you get, you'll need 2 AAA rechargeable batteries. Okay, now it's time to put together the camera, and the first thing we do is set up the camera board. So there are 2 things we have to put in the camera board before we can take any photos or put the rest together, and that is the SD card and the batteries. For the SD card, if you get it from Papershoot's website, it will come with the micro SD card that goes into the bigger piece, which is the adapter, and you just have to make sure to put that in before you put it into your camera. Now, if you just have a regular SD card, then don't worry about that step. That's just if you have the micro SD. Now we can put the SD card into the slot on the front. You'll hear a click, and it's in. And to get it out, you just have to press it in and it will pop out again. And now it's time for batteries. So just make sure you put the batteries in the right way. If you put them in incorrectly, there will be a red light that pops up on the left side of the camera. So just fix that if that is the case. And now for the fun part, the case. Look how cute. So the case comes flat, but it does have indents on where it's supposed to fold. To put the case on, you can put the filter switch that's on the back of the camera board into the filter switch slot on the camera case. Make sure that the 3 prongs on the bottom of the camera board line up with the 3 holes on the case. And now you can fold the front of the case over, making sure that the lens lines up with the lens hole at the front. And now that you've got your camera like this, you can take your brass screws, put them in the 2 holes at the top, and screw it together. I do it so that the screws with the cool design are facing the front, but I mean, you could do it either way if you'd like. And just like that, you've assembled your paper shoot camera. You can check to make sure everything's working and that you've done everything right by clicking the button on the front. The shutter noise will happen and the LED on the back will flash once. And there you go! Alright, I hope I was able to help you set up your paper shoot camera. That's it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!